Hi there, everyone. This is Mrs. Witron again, and in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage your Google Drive in case you need help with that or um, maybe find this helpful. So, as I mentioned in the email video, the easiest way for me is to kind of start with your email and then from there start opening up other apps that you may be using. So again, if you go to the dots that are on the top right corner, if you click here, it lets you open different apps. So then you would click on Drive and it would open a new tab with your Google Drive. My Drive is already open, so I'm just gonna switch here. And I don't know what your drive looks like, but I try to keep mine a bit organized. And the easiest way to do that is to create folders. So you'll see that I have several folders here where I organize my documents. If you don't know how to create a folder in Google Drive, it's very easy. You just go to here to this big plus sign where it says New. It's going to ask you, what do you want to do? Do you want to add a folder, a Google Doc sheet? What do you want to do? So I'm just going to add a folder. I would recommend to keep your drive organized. Maybe you want to create a folder for each of your classes. I don't know if they are automatically created for you in Drive or not, but if they're not, then maybe you want to create one to kind of help you keep track of any assignments that you'll be creating for that particular class. So maybe you want to name it, the subject or maybe the name of your teacher, whatever makes it easier for you. So I'm going to create a new folder and I'm just going to name it Science 6th grade, right? So I know that this is my 6th grade science folder, or maybe you want to add the name of your teacher, again, whatever just makes it easier for you, and then press create. So then you'll see the folder appear here. So all of your folders are ordered alphabetically. And then once you are going to create a document, maybe you have an assignment, if you know that it's for your science class, instead of just going to Google Docs and opening up a new document and then having to search for it through all of your documents in your entire folder, in your entire drive, you can go directly to that folder, to science. Right now it's empty because you haven't created anything. But let's say the assignment is to create, I don't know, slides on a project that has been assigned to you. Within the folder, you can go to New, open Google Slides, and obviously name your project or your whatever it is that you're working on. But then this document, maybe, I don't know, maybe it's my research project, right? I'm just going to name it something. So research project, right? So when you go back to your folder, if you refresh, you'll see that now this document appears here, right? So then this should make it easy for you to find the projects that you're working on for each class. So again, create folders for each class. You'll be able to find them here. And then when you're going to do an assignment, open that folder and then open the document. Again, you don't have to go to like Google Slides or Google Docs. I see a lot of students just open a separate window and go to that page directly. You can access it from here. You can go to New and open a new doc, a new sheet, a new slide. You can even do Google Forms, drawings. I mean, all the apps are listed here. I would just recommend that you create folders for your classes to help you organize your projects. And then I think that's it. Obviously, if someone has shared a document with you, you would find it here under Shared with Me. If you have recently opened the document that you can't find, then you can go to Recent and you should be able to find them here. If you accidentally delete something, you can go here and see if you have anything there. Otherwise, you probably will just be using the section that says My Drive. And then just try to organize it as best as you can, so it's easier for you to find any projects that you've created. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for listening.